Alright. Hi guys, Max from HighOnAndroid.com, where we get on Android every day. Anyway, I'm on vacation here in New York. I was actually not planning to pick these up, but there was a store like 5 minutes away from here. And also, I didn't have to wait in line. I only waited like 10 or 15 minutes to get it. Let me show you how I did it. Let's go do this, baby. How is it? Warm enough? Too many people? Yeah? Oh. Okay. We're almost there. Alright. We're at the Spectacles New York store. Let's try to see if we can get some tickets here. Is that open yet? I don't know. So it's 3:30. There's not too much big of a line.
But it looks like you'll just get.
Oh, is it? Okay. So we're gonna try to get some spectacles.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. All right. Okay.
You have to do 2 sets.
All right. Maybe I'll open up the mouth. All right, so I got a blue one. You want to get one? All right, sure. Select like it?
Teal, black, and
Have a good one. Good to hear Step right up.
and you're cool. It's new technology. Yeah.
Grab the receipt. They have the
I know.
rotating LCDs. Got my own spectacles, yo. Ah. Waited like 5 minutes. It's awesome. You like it? Okay. Anyway, the key is show up early around 3:30. I think the store actually opens up around 4. But if you show up 30 minutes early, there's like no one there and you can grab a spectacles pretty easily. If you show up late, there will be a big line, so avoid the line. And hopefully you'll get your spectacles like I did in 15 minutes. I actually really digging these. I'll have a full review of it soon. Oh, also another note, bring multiple credit cards because I heard the spectacles machine doesn't work well with certain credit cards. I use American Express. I do also recommend using American Express if you have it. You also get like 90-day warranty. So if I break these in the next 90 days, American Express will refund my money free of charge, which is another cool reason. Anyway, follow me on Snapchat. I'm gonna be Snapchatting with these for this whole week while I'm on vacation. You can check out what these spectacles can do, give you that nice POV vision, kind of fun. My Snapchat is Zedomax, ZEDOMAXX, and I will see you guys soon. As always, stay on spectacles.
Hi, click here to subscribe. Click here to subscribe.